Good morning, students. For class 11th, I try to explain a very important topic. The name of the topic is models. Before models, we will discuss about verbs, types of the verbs, definition of the verbs, and the classification of the verbs. If we can understand verbs, that it will be very easy to understand models. Now, just see. First, verbs. A verb is a word used to express some actions, feelings, and existence. It tells us something about the subject. It means one. Verb tells something about the subject and it also work for subject. By it also explains some actions, feeling and existence. For example, they were playing cricket. In this example, there is the combination of grammar components. This is also subject pronoun. This is also helping verb and this is also main verb and this is the object of this sentence. In this example, there are two verbs. Verb is the helping verb and playing, this is the main verb. The action of the both totally different. And now first we classified verbs. First one, types of the verbs. Types of the verbs. First, main verbs. Main verbs. Second, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. In the main verbs, there are two types. First one is infinitive. Finite verbs. And second is non-finite verbs. After that, first we will discuss about only main verbs. After that, we also go on the auxiliary verb. First, infinitive verbs. Infinitive verbs, those verbs, they are limited. That there is the combination of some particular pronouns, and on the non-infinitive verbs that they are unlimited verbs. There is no impact of subject on these verbs. First, we will also discuss about infinitive verbs. Infinitive verbs, there are two types. First one is transitive verb. And second one is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs, those verbs, after the verbs there is an object. The verb contain an object. This is also transitive verbs. For example, I write a book. In this example, I is the subject and pronoun, write is the main verb and transitive, and a book, this is the object of this sentence. That's why that we can say that write is the transitive verb. Next one is intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs, those verbs there have no any type of the object with them. They have no any object. For example, intransitive, for example, birds fly. Birds fly. It means main verb is flying, and after main verb there is no any object, there is no any word. That's why fly is intransitive verbs. This is intransitive. In Hindi, that we can say that sakarmak kriya and intransitive akarmak kriya. After that, now we will discuss about auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. In auxiliary verbs, there is the categories. First one is primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries. Second, modal auxiliaries verbs, and third one is marginal auxiliaries verbs. This is the categories, this is the division of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs, and we can say that helping verbs. These verbs that help to the main verb, they never used alone. They always used with the main verbs. That's why these are known as auxiliary verbs. In other words, we can say that helping verbs. And after that, the particular words, the particular that conclude as primary, modal and marginal, that we will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.